In this video, I will show you how to add a VPN extension to Google Chrome. If you need a VPN or virtual private network to browse the internet and change your location or IP address, then this video is for you. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Extensions and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will open the Chrome Web Store, where we can search for different extensions. Search for VPN in the search bar. Now find a VPN with a good rating and click on the extension. Then click Add to Chrome. If a confirmation window appears, click Add Extension. Wait a few seconds until the extension is added to Google Chrome. Once it's installed, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon at the top and select your VPN extension. You'll now see the VPN menu. Click here to enable the VPN and select a country from the list. Now the VPN is enabled, and I can change my location whenever I want. And that's how you can easily add a VPN extension to Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel